In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Google Chat. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Google Chat built right into your Gmail inbox, so you can keep conversations and email in one organized place without hopping between tabs. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want Chat to live, since this setting applies per account. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel, which shows a few common options. For what we need today, we'll go deeper, so choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page with a row of tabs across the top. Next, click the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This is where Gmail manages its built-in communication features. Inside this tab, find the section called Chat. Here, you'll see options for how chat behaves inside Gmail. Select Google Chat. This tells Gmail to enable the modern Google Chat experience directly within your inbox, replacing older chat tools and adding a dedicated space for one-to-one messages and group conversations. After you've chosen Google Chat, scroll if needed and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload to apply the new setting. That refresh is normal and confirms the integration is turning on. When your inbox comes back, you should notice new chat elements in the sidebar, typically showing recent conversations and a way to start new ones. You may also see spaces, which are shared rooms for ongoing projects or teams. Their presence is a good sign that the integration is active. A couple of tips as you settle in. If you don't see the Chat and Meet tab, it may be because you're using a work or school account where settings are managed by an administrator. In that case, the option could be limited. Also, these steps are for the desktop web version of Gmail. The mobile apps have their own chat experience and settings. Finally, if the interface doesn't update right away after saving, give it a moment. Gmail typically refreshes automatically, and once it does, you'll see the chat section appear. That's all it takes. You opened Gmail, went into Settings, and selected See All Settings, moved to the Chat and Meet tab, chose Google Chat, and saved your changes. With Chat now integrated, you can keep messages and email together, stay focused, and collaborate faster. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along for more simple, practical